Velas is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a counterfeit instinct work DPoS blockchain environment for interoperable and profoundly adaptable exchanges. Velas has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF cross-breed blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes extremely close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Velas used the benefits of blockchain innovation in devices to make a straightforward, open-source, local area-driven decentralized environment. The fork of Solana with implanted EVM mix mainnet was sent off in 2020. EVM permits Ethereum-based dApps and DeFi conventions to work flawlessly in Velas. Moreover, Velas likewise upholds all brilliant agreements based on the Ethereum blockchain. Velas Opportunity Project is an aid for designers. They don't need to repay end charges while building the ventures. We should dive deeper into what Velas will be worth, alongside specialized examination and Velas cost forecast. What is VLX? The local badge of the Velas stage is called VLX. Utility coin is mostly utilized in three ways. First and foremost, for marking. Merchants can stake it and get prizes for block approval. For this situation, Velas utilize designated marking instrument. Stakers can appoint their token to the favored hub. There is no limit for appointing the stake. Also, every one of the administrations of the Velas stage, like BitOrbit, are paid utilizing the VLX token. At long last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like other cryptographic forms of money. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex and HitTC. Velas is prescribed to store the coin in Velas wallet. What are the benefits of utilizing Velas? Velas permits the client to assemble decentralized applications. Shrewd agreements upheld by fast installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is small in correlation with the rivals in the business. The biological system thinks about security, adaptability, and interoperability as the principal concerns. With Velas, purchasers can fabricate an application, run a validator hub, coordinate dApps from EVM, coordinate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the biological system's development. To be a piece of the serious race in the blockchain business, Velas has declared a plenty of new tasks which are exceptionally helpful for clients. Some of them incorporate Velas Pad, BitOrbit, and Velas Record. Velas Account involves biometric validation of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. VLX Specialized Investigation. Be that as it may, presently the trust of financial backers in digital currency has been shaken. Financial backers are currently more critical prior to purchasing computerized resources, even at lower costs. The worldwide digital currency market hit $819,102,880,893, unfurling very much a development. The absolute crypto market volume has contacted $133.48 billion. Crypto aficionados and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary dependability of the countries. The ongoing cost of Velas VLX is 2 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $644,475. The greatest cost at which the coin exchanged was 57 cents, which was on November 4, 2021. And everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Velas cost has been constantly rectifying for over 90 days. And there are not many expectations that it will recuperate at any point in the near future. Because of the constant fall in VLX cost, which has occurred with pretty much every token, financial backers lose revenue in putting and witness a tremendous pullback in Velas cost levels. Velas is as of now taking help close to $0. Velas cost today is 2 cents, and there is a high opportunity the help level may not be supported. Quick opposition for Velas VLX coin is put at 15 cents. And any transcend this is supposed to take Velas to 24 cents. In the wake of examining the information of a portion of the significant specialized markers, RSI is put at 58.84. MACD has been recently over the sign line. Velas VLX cost is beneath the 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA. VLX cost expectation for the present moment is negative. Financial backers and merchants should be careful prior to entering the exchange Velas. VLX coin value forecast 2023. Velas devotees can expect a beginning at a typical cost of 4 cents and a base cost of 2 cents according to our Velas cost gauge. The VLX figure predicts the Velas cost will contact 5 cents around mid-year, and the most extreme worth expected for the year is 4 cents. VLX crypto value expectation 2024. VLX crypto conjecture predicts a start of 4 cents in January 2024. Velas cost expectations show it will break 4 cents by July 2024. Velas conjecture information implies that a most extreme anticipated reach would be 5 cents, another expansion to the coin esteem. Crypto sweethearts can put resources into the medium term in the coin. Velas Value Forecast 2025. In view of our VLX coin conjecture, Velas' future appears to be bullish in 2025. VLX Cost Forecast 2025 recommends that Velas merits putting resources into. Velas Value Forecast 2026. According to our Velas cost estimate, interest in Velas will give huge returns as the cost change will be very high for the year. The most extreme cost is expected to be 9 cents, with a normal and least cost of 9 cents and 8 cents, separately. Velas Value Forecast 2027. During the last part of the year, it is anticipated that the cost might exchange close 10 cents, and the greatest future cost expected is 15 cents. The base cost is normal at $0. Thus, the year's typical cost is 8 cents territory just in light of our Velas cost figure. Velas Value Forecast 2028. As per our Velas cost forecast, the coin is supposed to exchange at a normal of 15 cents in the year 2028, while the base and greatest costs might be around 13 cents and 17 cents, separately. Velas Value Forecast 2029. In view of the past exhibition of the coin, it might have a most extreme worth of 21 cents for the year 2029, while the base and normal costs might be around 19 cents and 20 cents, individually. Velas Value Forecast 2030. Constantly 2030, the Velas might have least, normal, and most extreme costs of 25 cents, 30 cents, and 35 cents, separately, according to our Velas cost expectation. Brokers can purchase Velas or sell Velas from any of the accompanying CEX CoinX, Gate, EO, KuCoin, Bitcoin.com, HitTC, DigiFinex, Probit.com, or DEX, including Uniswap and Flapjack Trade. Velas Gauge recommends that the coin will be a decent decision for center-term and long-haul venture as the greatest cost, normal cost, and least cost are completely expected to develop. Examining information from the different cost estimate frameworks and 5 years time spans show an expansion in Velas cost, and it is anticipated that it will be a wise venture for what's to come. According to Velas Coin Value Forecast, financial backers might procure an attractive sum in the long haul. LAC will in general support an ascent in the cost of Velas, and the worth is supposed to fill from here on out. With the momentum market cap of $50,462,946, the future cost of Velas might be at some gamble. However, with most extreme exploration, the gamble can be kept away from.